Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing an Ulta haul. So let's get in and let's get into the haul. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're doing another Ulta haul, and this one was a little crazy because there were some things I needed, and what I was doing was I was looking for like skincare product, a specific skincare product that shimmers on your body during the summer, that doesn't give you like a crazy shimmer, but that's the purpose of me getting everything here at Ulta, because I did find that there were products that they sold at Ulta that were actually on sale. So I was like, you know what, let me go get them from Ulta and get a little other stuff too. Now the crazy thing was, I don't know if you guys have peeped out the Kylie Cosmetics. I'll show you guys this one first. This is Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealer. This was actually free with my order. I think you had, which was crazy because I don't know if, I know that they're rebranding or doing something, but it was kind of crazy just the fact that they were actually giving it away. Basically, I saw them on Ulta, and I don't, if you guys peeped this sale, let me know in the comments section below. I've never actually tried Kylie Cosmetics products before, but if you guys have, let me know in the comment section below if they're worth it. I mean, it's free, so I'm not gonna go crazy. It's a concealer, so I take what I get and I don't catch a fit. But yeah, that was Kylie Cosmetics. I got that for free. So if you guys saw that sale and you took advantage, I mean, let me know in the comments what you guys thought, what you guys bought. But let us take a look. And another reason why I placed this order was actually this was the reason why, because I could have easily got these things from like Walmart, TJ Maxx, or like the body care from Target. But this was the thing that was back in stock that hadn't been in stock in like forever. So this is the Milani Supercharged Peach Super Under Eye Tint. Now, if you saw my last Ulta haul, you guys know that was like full of all these makeup products that were drugstore high-end, but they were drugstore products, so they acted like high-end. So this was one of those other products that at the time when I placed that order, I couldn't find online at all, anywhere. So when I saw it in stock, I was like, okay, Lynette, that gives you another excuse to go shopping. So I just had to place the order. So this is supposed to be really good. This is their, let me see, Supercharged. So the Supercharged line of Milani supposedly is really good. So this, let me just see how it looks here. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm just curious about stuff like that. So that is how that looks. That's gonna go under my eye when I use it. So it's supposed to be really moisturizing, and even on my hand it does look like it goes well with my skin tone, so that's always a good look. All right, so the next thing I got, because I needed a lighter foundation. Right now I have like a CoverGirl Fit foundation, which is cool, but in the summer it's like way too hot. So this is supposed to be a hydrating foundation from Essence, and Essence was a brand that I gotta say I slept on because I didn't realize that they were really good. I usually tend to go for like the higher name brands, but I don't use makeup all the time, but this is like something good that I can just draw on my face. So this is gonna be hydrating foundation. Oh, and all the products I will list underneath the video so you guys can take a look just to see if this is something that you would be into. Essence products, I'm noticing all their skincare, well, sorry, all their makeup tends to be under $10. So I believe this was $10. I believe so, but if not, it was like buy one, get one half off, something like that. Ulta seems to have a lot of sales on the Essence brand. So if you need something, do you need a replacement, you want to try something different, I would definitely recommend it. So this is 90, the color is 90 Natural Suede. I like to look natural, not that I have makeup on, like a ton of makeup on, so that's the kind of look that I usually go for. And this, I needed a new brush. This is e.l.f. Complexion Duo. So basically the brush is on here and the blush is down there. So just so you can do two different things. And I like e.l.f. I'm kind of digging e.l.f. products too, because I actually need a cleansing balm that they have too. Their products seem to be super cheap. Now this next one here, we have, what is this? This is NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. Now I'm not gonna open this one up because we will be here all day if I try. I've already done another video where I try to open a product up and I was there way too long. So this is in the color, this is small, that's wrong. Oh, this is in the color London. So this is basically gonna be like a neutral color anyway. So that's what the color looks like there. It's kind of like a lighter brown, but this is a couple of the things that I was getting as well. So let me see what this is. Oh, this was, let me know if you guys have tried this. This was on sale and I needed the order. I think you have to place like a $40 order in order for it to be free. This was like $3.50. This is supposed to be like a shimmer. It says from NYX. This is a shimmer down for your face, just to give your face like a shimmery look. So I'll probably use this like if we go out at night, just to give myself a shimmery look. But let me know if you guys have tried this from NYX. It's shimmer down. Let me see if I can see the color. It doesn't say. It is, just says SP. Yeah, it doesn't say. I'll put it underneath the video. Okay, so these are the things that I actually placed the order for as well. This is for my hair. I've never tried this before. This is Not Your Mother's Part-Time Air Dry Accelerator. I usually just let my hair dry out on its own, but I do it on a day that we're not going anywhere so it can dry itself properly. Like today I have to wash my hair. Today's another hair day, so I'm definitely gonna try this. But if you guys have ever tried an air dry accelerator just to dry your hair faster, let me know if they work, because this was, I believe this was like $7 or $8. I am not too sure, but I know OGX has one as well, but I kind of tend to stay away from OGX products for my hair. You can do your own research on that, but I tend to stay away from their products. So this, Not Your Mother's, I actually have a mousse that I like from them, a refreshing mousse, on days that I'm not gonna wash my hair. So this is one that I definitely wanna see, just to see if this does make that the air dry process a little bit faster, because sometimes it can be all day. Now, here is one I was definitely excited. This is Shea Moisture Glow Goddess Body Shimmer. This one seems to be less shimmery than Shea Moisture Shimmering Body Lotion. So I kind of think it depends on the look that you're going for. So we're gonna test it out together and see which one. Now this one is papaya and vitamin C, and this one is coconut oil. So let me take a look and see if I can figure it out. Now my intention for this is really my arms and my legs. Because I work from home, I don't get as much sun as I would wish for. What the heck is going on with this product? It's not coming out. So I don't get I don't get as much sun as I would hope for. There we go. Okay, so let me see. So there's what it looks like without me using anything. And don't mind the blush, that's from another box I unboxed. And it does smell fruity. It smells good, so it's doable. And it's not meant to give you a color. It's just meant to give you a sheen, like a bright shimmer. So I don't know if you guys can tell because the light is on it, but it does give a shimmer to a little shimmer to yourself. So that is that. Excuse me, that's perfect. That's enough for me because I didn't want to look all crazy. I kind of don't like the ones that give you a color, because then sometimes you can look crazy. So we're gonna do this on the other arm just to see the comparison and see what the difference is. They're both by the same brand, so, but the other one specifically says shimmering. So we're gonna see. Okay, this is what it looks like without being put in. This one has more of a fresher coconut smell to it, and of course more came out, so I have no choice but to put this all over my arm. Now, don't know if you guys can tell. This one doesn't really give a lot of shimmer, but it's a body lotion. So the intention really wasn't to give your body a lot, and after it's drying down, it's supposed to be like a good body lotion for coconut oil. Now, I don't see it shimmers. So obviously, if you're looking for something that gives your body some kind of glow, this would be the one that you would want to get. Because I like like when I go out, especially at night on my arms, I want that see, it's like a shimmery. It definitely gives you a more of a tint plus the shimmer, but this one doesn't. So this is meant to be more of a body lotion, I would say, because I'd see no shimmer. which is fine because I didn't want to be going all crazy, and it worked out perfect because this is the one that I actually wanted. I got this one just because it said Shimmer body lotion, but honestly I don't see any shimmer at all, but this one I do, and I don't know if you guys can tell at all. Kind of, I think you can. So this one, you can see it's right there, and this one, it's all on my arm and all on my hand. I see nothing. So it worked out perfect. So if you're looking for something like this for the summer, just to give yourself a shimmery look, a little glossier look, this is the one that you want to go for. So I'm glad I was able to do that with you guys live because I wasn't too sure. I actually thought this was gonna, this one has a lot of good reviews, but the reviews are more so toward the body lotion itself, not that it gave you a shimmer. So that's why I wanted to get this as well, because I kind of wanted to use this alongside with, if you watch my Sephora haul, you guys know I bought this. So I kind of wanted to use it alongside this because coconut oil, it smells neutral. That one is probably going to be a good lotion just to add, because I like to mix Bum Bum Cream because it's really is summertime and it really is hot in Texas. We'll be hot until all the way up until Halloween. So it's too much sometimes to put lotion on you, but this is good for lotion. It smells fresh, it smells clean, but this one is good for if you need a little bit shimmery look, just to look like shine and, you know, look super fresh in the summer. So yeah, definitely get this one, because if you like papaya scents and vitamin C, I mean, it's a fruity scent. So if you like that kind of scent, then this is the one that you want to get. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below if you have like a favorite shimmer body lotion. What do you normally use in the summer? Do you use a lot of lotion or do you not? I still have to use lotion, so I can't go without lotion. But do you use shimmers in the summer at all? But let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.